Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the last Friday of Ramadan and I have a full day planned with my friends today. So I'm super duper excited. The plan today is actually, so my university, I've graduated, but I'm still talking about my university, still visiting my university. But they're having a Eid bazaar where basically they have like things going on. I actually don't know what they have because I've never been before, but we're gonna go check it out. Maybe find some cool stuff, and then after that we're gonna just chill for a bit, open iftar together, and then go for a taraweeh at the masjid, which I haven't done, and it's the last 10 days of Ramadan and I still haven't done it. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. Yeah. Okay, I'm packing up my abaya in this thing. I actually got a new abaya. Let me actually show it. Whenever I wear this, I feel like I'm like in Muslim Harry Potter. I'm just waiting for my friends. I want them to be here right now. So let's go. What's the plan for today?
I want to go, like the main plan is to go to UTM to go to the Eid bazaar.
Bazaar, yeah.
What did you say like that? Because I forgot what it's called.
Bazaar.
Eid fest, whatever. It's not even Eid yet, so it can't be a fest.
Almost Eid.
But it closes in an hour. We're waiting for our third member of our cult to get here.
I just want to go and I just want to see it and I just want to chill, and I'm hungry.
And joint pain.
Yeah.
/ muscle.
We're so ready for Taraweeh tonight. We're so ready.
I'm always ready for it, but I get tired with my speed of doing it, which is faster because I don't know long surahs.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Oh my god. Where's your family?
Prince. Oh, I think. Does she recognize me? We call her she because we don't know her gender, but
You can check. She has
I'm not gonna check. How am I gonna check?
Then you know who she is.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi.
No, but I'm not gonna lie, I still listen sometimes. Mostly when I'm not.
In the car, but I shouldn't be even listening in the car straight, right?
Yep. Keep going straight.
It's at the student center.
Okay. Okay.
Go cart at your course in campus.
What the heck?
And I'm like, they're doing it after I leave.
Guys, they do everything after we leave. We had 2 years of COVID in between though, so.
I mean, that's pretty cool, but like, it's also not fun. Like, Tuesday, my last day of class. In person. Oh my god, he's too young for this. Why is there more money in my bank? Wait, let's take a picture of them.
Yeah. Oh, you took mine off?
No, it's okay. Oh my god. Put it on. That's like the most Arabic I can say.
But still, at least it's the new mascara.
I don't care. Let's go break into Ikram.
The sun. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Nostalgia and
bro.
murder.
Oh my god. The Cooper Mosque actually looks pretty good. Remember when it started construction? Oh my god, like wow.
Oh, those airplanes are always so loud.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's just so tiny. It's just so tiny.
Ew, it looks the same. The office.
Yeah. I've only ever been in there like once or twice. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it still has that rip in the door.
They did not fix anything up. They still have the same signs too. Show me the playground at the back. I want to see the playground.
Remember used to play on this?
Yeah. This was where we had recess. Oh my gosh. Tiny chairs. Low key.
Oh, the masjid's huge now.
Whoa. Yeah, the women's section's from this side.
Yeah, now it's at the back.
gosh.
Oh, it literally, they honestly.
What? They put up the chain. They put up the
I
chain.
think it's probably broken, that's all. And
I
it's
think
that
it fell from
we're
it.
messing with it. Look at the skipping rope they use as a
Yeah,
blockade.
just to
It's
block it.
old
Oh my
from
god.
maybe Jumpstart Heartstroke.
Survived. Jumpstart Heartstroke.
What did you say? Jumpstart Heartstroke.
Heartstroke Foundation.
Jumpstart.
Jump
I
for.
was right. I was right.
Jump for, yeah. Oh my gosh.
My little.
Reminiscing. This is where we all met.
Oh, wait, I'm not.
This is where we all met. Why is it so loud? Oh
Right there. The airport's right there.
Oh yeah.
Too many people.
Oh, so nice. Oh my god.
Reminiscing.
The parking lot is actually like a parking lot now.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Oh really? It's that one right here.
Yeah, show us. Because I was gonna say that's an ugly a-hole right there. That was nice. I felt like I felt like I was young again.
The building looks like these.
No, but genuinely, that place, like I could walk in and I like just looking at it. It feels like a time capsule.
Have you been since or no?
Me?
Yeah.
You know I haven't. You know.
I haven't either.
My dad is.
I mean, I feel like
I went when I was in high school,
Same, that's it.
but I need to go again.
The last time I went was when I was.
We should
a student.
we should all actually go.
Yeah.
Cause I did I tell you I saw Sister Iman at Square
Can I
One?
get
Yeah, you can. I saw Sister Iman.
Yeah, sister man. That's her.
I saw Sister Iman at Square One. Mom, pull up. You can turn.
Why again?
You were so like. That's the school, different location.
Wait, where?
Right there, the Sherwood. Oh, that
Oh,
was
I
where
see,
my
I
uncle-
see,
my
I see,
grandpa
I see,
used to
I
work
see,
as
I
an
see, I
accountant
see, I
right
see.
here. Grandpa here.
Oh.
Grandpa used to work there. I used to go with him after school.
We have to go back here. Should I go in the parking lot and park?
That's not emerald green at all.
It's really. I'm gonna take my dad here. It almost tastes like.
It's so good. Okay, so I took them out. We went to the Ridgeway Plaza.
You took yours.
Okay. We tried lychee chai and Hannah tried it for the first time. What do you have to say about it?
Mali.
So good. Recommend. From 3 Street Food, whatever it's called. And then she got her coffee from Melton Dip.
Now everyone
Which
needs to go on.
slaps. Okay. Anyways. Had a lot of fun. I'm so tired. That chai is getting to me. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Stay tuned for next week, which will be next month.
Bye.
Next year.
Okay. It's awkward now. No. Okay, bye. I need to fix my hijab actually.
Taraweeh, we didn't do taraweeh.
Oh,
this is for it.
Let's cook an egg. Let's say it for God. Okay.
That felt so hard.
I know. We just had to walk in front of like 20 ladies.
The lady, first of all, was not budging.
That one that we were trying to pass through
Yeah,
right at the end. Yeah,
she really wasn't
moving.
like.
Oh gosh. Okay.
And I did this to be like, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I feel so bad.
But I like that actually. It
That's nice. Oh, I needed
was
this.
so nice. You can't say anything.
Sorry, I didn't.
Where are you?
You can't see me.
Yeah.
Palestine. Ooh.